Let's see if f of x and g of x are inverses of each other. Alright, so remember, we have our notes. We just did this. So let's try and do this again. And this time we're doing it for f of x and g of x. Alright? So I'm going to divide my page in two. You don't have to do that. You can do it one after another, but I just have space, so I'm going to divide it in two. The first, I'm going to find f of g of x. X over 9 plus 4 over 3. I need to replace the x with g of x. G of x over 9 plus 4 over 3. G of x is 9x plus 12, so 9x plus 12 over 9 plus 4 over 3. It seems like I'm going to need more space here. All right. So what is 9x plus 12 over 9 plus 4 over 3? Well, I do not know. But what I can do is I can combine these two by adding them. So here's how we add and subtract fraction the easy way. When we have a over b plus or minus c over d, the answer is bd at the bottom, ad plus or minus ac. Oh, bc. This is the rule. If you memorize this rule, I promise you, you will be so much better in math. Just memorize this simple rule. A over b plus c over d plus or minus c over d is equals to bd at the bottom, ad plus or minus bc. Alright, so let's see if we can apply the rule. B is 9, d is 3, so bd goes at the bottom. So what is 9 times 3? 27. That goes at the bottom. Then we say AD. Well, A is 9x plus 12 and D is 3. Yes, sir. Sure. I will slow down. Let me know when you're ready, okay? Alright, so 9 times 3, BD is 9 and 3, so 9 times 3 is 27. Then I need to do AD. Well, A is 9x plus 12, D is 3, so 9x plus 12 times 3. What did we have originally, plus or minus? We had a plus, so I'm going to put a plus here. I'll put this in parentheses as well. And then we have to do BC. Well, what is my B? That's 9, so I'm going to put 9 in parentheses. And C. C is 4. Alright, let's see. We got 9x plus 12 times 3, so 3 needs to be distributed in both. So 3 times 9x is 27x. 3 times 12 is 36. What is 9 times 4? 36. Divided by 27. Now here we see that 36 plus 36, one of these should have been a negative, right? So that it would cancel out, but it's not negative. I wonder if there's a mistake here, but let's see what happens. So we get 27x plus 36 plus 36, which is 72 over 27. So this does not look like it's going to be an inverse, because we're not getting the x here. So let's see. So I can say that this is not an inverse because our answer is not equal to x. Right? So we can do the other side to make sure that it is inverse. So Let me give you a couple of minutes to try the other side. We already tried f of g of x, and it shows that f is not the inverse of g. Now I want you to try g of f of x, like the previous example, to see what you get. So here we got that this is not equal to x. So our answer is no. So I'll give you guys 5 minutes to find g of f of x. And here is your timer. So is g of f of x equal to x? Is g a inverse of x? Well, what do you guys think? Let's go over it together. Let me erase some of this stuff. And so I need to find g of f of x. So g of x is 9x plus 12. I need to replace this with 9 times f of x plus 12. So I get 9 times x over 9 plus 4 over 3 equals plus 12. So what is 9 times x over 9 plus 4 over 3? I need to distribute 9 into both of these terms. So here I get 9x over 9 plus 9 times 4, which is 36 over 3 plus 12. 9 cancels out the 9, so I'm left with x. Hey, there's hope. X plus 12. Oh, it's plus 12 plus 12. If it was plus 12 and minus 12, it would cancel out, but it's not. So my final answer is x plus 24, which does not equal 0, so not inverse. Alrighty, so this shows that f and g are not inverses of each other.